I'm Moses Horner with Horner Painting from Fort Collins, Colorado. I own a painting company there that does a volume of about 2.8 this year, and our growth goal next year is to reach 3.5. I've been with BTA for almost a year now. It's getting exciting to have a large enough sample where I can say with confidence what my key numbers need to be. I'm excited to be able to hit some of the marks, knowing that they're realistic and they're achievable. I heard about BTA through a direct competitor, similar volume, direct market, and I reached out to him to meet with him. He was a younger painting contractor that I was just seeing coming on really strong in the market. And I'm like, who is this guy? I need to check him out. Maybe I can offer some things to him. I've been painting for 20 years. He's only been in my market for 5 years, and he's already at a similar volume. And when I had that meeting, my jaw dropped. I was like, this guy is wicked smart. Like, this guy has got his stuff dialed. So when he said, you should talk to Danny, talk to BTA, yeah, immediately I did, and super grateful for his introduction to BTA. BTA has been a huge game changer and came along in a time in my life when I was going through kind of a midlife crisis and an identity crisis. My business is fairly successful. It's been around a long time. It was easy. It was good. Nothing wrong with having a good business, but BTA really showed me that I can have a great business and reignited that entrepreneurial spirit inside of me, and painting is fun again. Being an entrepreneur is fun again, and I'd lost that for like a 3 to 5 year period, and so to have a company like BTA and have a group like BTA where you're seeing other people that are like, I was good, but I'm seeing greatness over here, and to have a new mark of what's possible has been really exciting. Breakthrough Academy provides a unique issue processing system where you come as a presenter and you give kind of some base knowledge to the group about what your business does, and then you state, this is the request for feedback that I'd like. This is my question that I'd like to have answered. And then they offer clarifying questions, make sure they fully understand, and that's kind of where that onion gets peeled back. And so that process of issue processing with a group of like-minded peers and maybe even similar or parallel businesses makes it really powerful, because they're not just saying, like an armchair quarterback, oh, it'd be great if you did this, or you should probably try this, but they come back with you and can say, well, in my experience, I use this to make this happen, and I have found success in my personal business seeing this achieved. So it's a lot more than just somebody saying, well, you should try this. It's I've done this and it worked, or I did that and it didn't work, and both are important. To be involved with BTA, I think you do have to have kind of a base level of success, or a base level of smarts or intelligence or entrepreneurial spirit, and I really respect that BTA doesn't just accept anyone. They don't just, hey, if you pay, you can play. It's really a good vetting process, so that when you have these type of large events, you're really dealing with an amazingly high caliber individual, and it's the synergy is incredible.